Hello you guys, and welcome to another makeup tutorial for this vlog week, this makeup bonanza. Welcome to today's video. This is the tutorial for today. I used Shades by Gal, obviously. Again, I didn't know that the orange brows would look so good with the orange hair, because I just felt like it was like orange on orange on orange, and I was like, I don't want to do too much orange, but it looks so good. It just looks nice and bright. I love this tutorial. It's so, I wanted to go way more orangey on the eyes too, but I was a little bit I did get freed. Let's just do a nice smoky eye, because the brows and the hair bubble, it's already a moment. But maybe one day I get little courage for the full orange look, orange blush, orange lips, like a whole tangerine dream. That would be so cool. And I have a bathing suit from Naked Boss that I must wear for you one day. I don't know when that one day gonna be, but I will. So this is the tutorial for today. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing and liking and commenting and all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Alright guys, so sorry I'm whispering, but this video is a no step skipped for the makeup. I feel like my edges, you guys know like how I do my edges, but I'm gonna skip nothing at all. Everything is in real time. So I will be playing music as it stands right now. I am extremely exhausted, but it has been amazing just filming this for you guys, doing these voiceovers for you, and I would love to do a full voiceover, but Jaleel got catch up fever last night, and I don't know what to do like when he's sick. And I know like him sick, a lot, but like other things are happening. So I'm going to play music. I'm sorry this first part is stupid, but I'm going to play music for the rest of this, but enjoy the tutorial. I really love this look. Yeah, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Tomorrow is a vlog, and I'll be vlogging every single day for the rest of the week. Thank you for your support, you guys, and yeah, I'll talk to you in the next video.
I just need a little peace and quiet, some time all to myself, for my mental health. Won't let it slip away. Without a single care, let the wind blow my hair till I've had my share. I wanna go to the lake, I wanna sip a milkshake, let the sun bake my skin till it's golden brown. Hey, everybody calm down. I won't get melanoma. I'm not a beach girl, not a mountain girl, not a snow girl, no girl, nowhere in the world. Let me ease my mind, I need my me time. La-da-da, la-da-da. La-da-da, la-da-da. La-da-da, la-da-da. La-da-da, la-da-da. I just need a little peace and quiet, some time all to myself, for my mental health. Don't let it slip away. I'll sprawl out underneath the beautiful sun, or lay in my bed with no one. To me that sounds like fun, but I still might go to the lake. I could really use that milkshake. Sticks and stones break my bones, but words won't change me. No, I won't get lonely, 'cause I'm my best company. Unwind, you might find you needed that time, but don't take it from me. Leave me be and try it out, baby. Hey. La-da-da, la-da-da. La-da-da, la-da-da. Be so quiet. La-da-da, la-da-da. Sometimes
Let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone. 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 Please don't let me in. Yeah. Gon' play that. Take you down, I'ma say that. Mine need me a couple dollars. Telling you now this payback. So I take that. Ask them now what stage at. I've been going to the top and I got what they not, so I know that they hate that. But I'm on now. All these lanes gonna zone out. And all these lanes gonna tell you what I did, and they twist and they worse till I fall out. But I know that, so I keep what I'm doing cause I own that. And I stay in the lab and I kill everything, but I don't ever move, I'm a Kodak. So I'm gone, finally back in my home. I'm working like so much, they swear I had me a clone. Can't answer my phone now, just leave it there, that tone. Ballin' can't beat me up cause I'm back in my zone now. Cause I'm back in my zone now. Zone now.
Ballin' can't beat me up cause I'm back in my zone now. Back in my zone now.
Let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone.
Let me into my zone. Please don't let me in.
Please don't let me into my zone. I just need some time of my own. All these people trying to get a conversation. You can conversate to that tone. I got up on that throne, yeah. So I'm never alone, yeah. All these people trying to box me in. I'm Mayweather, it's on, yeah. Now they ask where I'm at. Making hits that line back. I'm MJ, I'm 2-3, man. I just need some time back. I'm zoned in like defense. My life gone, no recess. But I live my best one, so I got no regrets. So I'm gone, finally back in my home. I'm working like so much, they swear I had me a clone. Can't answer my phone now, just leave it there, that tone. Ballin' can't beat me up cause I'm back in my zone now. Cause I'm back in my zone now. Back in my zone now.
Ballin' can't beat me up cause I'm back in my zone now. My zone now.
Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone.
Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone.
Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone.
Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone.
Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. I've been this well since a boom. I'll take the man to the tomb. Yeah. Now they all ask what I'm doing. Well, you see it soon. Say that they know what to do. Say I should listen to you. Yeah. Y'all don't know what I've been doing. Trust me, you don't got a clue. Take the top to my front door. Only fiends coming through the bag. Got my problems, I want more. Lead the past up in the past. The way I'm moving need a hard pass. All class with a book bag. In the night with that all black. Hang it up to no call back. Yeah, I got time and it's all on my mind, so I tell them I'ma let it out. Yeah, and I got guap, but you know I can't stop, so I tell them I'm indebted now. Yeah, I got green and I gotta switch cheese, but I'm looking for the cheddar now. That shit was all bad, now I'm coming to get last, and this year's looking better now. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Tell them I'm staying right here. Tell them I'm switching my gear. Yeah. Tell them I'm just getting started. Tell them this year's my year. Ay. Tell them that. 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 Yeah. Tell them that. 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 Ay. How How long was I gone for? Pop more than some popcorn. Gotta drive, can't stop for. All the talk, there's no time for it. Blowing up like Lampore. Crowd wanting that encore. Tom Ford is what I wore, and I made a day what I bought it for. Now the speaker so fluent, I'm at the back like I'm Ewan, yeah. They wanna keep me so stagnant. I make a hit, keep it moving, Up in the morning, I'm brewing, They going nowhere, I knew it, They tryna keep me from making it, I swear they looking so Judas, Feel like Messi with the goals. Will I make it? I don't know. Time is running out the back door. Pray to God to open doors. Couple bands for the shows, ayy. Making money off the flows, yeah. I just had to go show y'all. Gotta keep 'em on their toes. Tell 'em I'm staying right here, Tell 'em I'm switching my gear, yeah. Tell 'em I'm just getting started, Tell 'em this year's my year, ayy. Tell 'em I'm staying right here, Tell 'em I'm switching my gear, yeah. Tell 'em I'm just getting started, Tell 'em this year's my year, ayy. Tell 'em that, 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 yeah. Tell 'em that, 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 Hey, it's 2018, yeah. Go and tell them that. Man, everything in 2017, I don't wanna hear about it no more. Okay? Yeah, cause big things are brewing. I mean, big things popping in the city, you know. Yeah. That's all you need to know. Don't tell them that.
Feeling like I should. I'm all good. I'm all good. Never knew I could. I'm all good. I'm all good. Feeling like I should. I'm all good. I'm all good. Never knew I could. I'm all good. I'm good.
I feel like I ain't never felt before. I was locked up in my head, but I ain't got to fret no more. Like Kobe in his prime, I rep that 24. 7 days a week, we put up points, who's even keeping the score? Let's run it back. Got it crazy where we at. Let me be me, let me rap. Rep that vision, it's a different map. Whipping down the less paved, singing on a different track. They know it's a different path. It's like a dream, so let me never wake up. I was so hung up on myself, just like a stick in the mud. A little time, a little patience when I got tired of waiting. Then I found that gem within me sticking out of the mud. And they gon' ask me why I do it, I'ma say this because we gon' be the best on earth just like we be at Emrys. Pass behind me like a book bag, hanging down a coat rag. Focused on the future, not that coulda, shoulda, would have.
Feeling like I should. I'm all good. I'm all good. Never knew I could. I'm all good. I'm all good. Feeling like I should. I'm all good. I'm all good. Never knew I could. I'm all good. I'm
It's like
good.
this, look. I feel just like I should, this that new me. I ain't really tripping if you hate it, you consume me. Moving so smooth, so easy like a layup. Riding on a wave, fall down, keep my head up. Cause that's life, all this can't be bought for no price. Go and hit them brand new heights, take my shot like Mike. I can't win them all, but I'll try. Don't got answers, but that's alright, yeah.
Before my mind was reeling, but I ain't in my head no more. On the path to feeling good. Before my mind was reeling, but I ain't in my head no more. On the path to feeling good. Feeling like I should. It's feeling good. I'm all good. Never knew I could. Feeling good. I'm all good. Feeling like I should. It's feeling good. I'm all good. Never knew I could. I'm all good. I'm all good. Feeling like I should.
serve them up like I'm Sosa. Ain't nothing special, I'm just a rebel. Looking bezeled, you boys is looking disheveled, Out of Nashville, that's Tennessee. I'm swinging fast, you gon' be thinking it's 10 of me. Don't want me as your enemy, I'll bury your name. Was buddy in these streets, now you forgot about the game. You got egg on your face like you ate a souffle. Now I'ma knock your top off like it's Trump's toupee. Now slow down, your rhymes are ass chomp. I know you gassed up, but I bet your finger wouldn't touch the trigger on a gas pump. Mask up, came down, mic is sick, throw your hood. I fucking carry game like I'm Underwood, it's understood. Laid back with your girl, we on that days of play. One hitter, now you're on fire like I'm Johnny Blaze. Yeah, I'm Ghost Rider with a pin and stare. I'm one step ahead, I'm dancing on them like I'm Fred Astaire. Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Count and hate or believe, but please believe it makes no difference to me. Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh man, taking the game ever higher. And we're here with a little taste of that fire.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh damn, you know it's easy to see that there ain't no one of y'all can stand next to me.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna bring me your closer. He's throwing ducks, I serve him up like I'm Sosa. Cause I'm the bad man.
I got that mindset, throwing the concert just to see all of your faces. Dropping your jaws and throwing your arms and falling convulsing and shaking. Fuck if you die, the king is a rap. Here with the purpose to surface these rappers is rapping this rap shit. I murder a cat on the track and to hand him his purse. Return to the rapper, hit a rap shit up on these plastic ass cats. Don't even write raps, just ass. Spit it on a track, gold up another platinum plaque, wearing a mask, fuck that. You wanna act and act, get on the screen, do your thing, let it fail, you die off. I am the king, fuck everybody else, I'm on the that be that. Return to the writer, scribble out of shit to the page catch fire. Call me a liar, spark it in the dark and let it burn. And you can call me inspired, heart of a lion. In the sense that my heart will jump out of my chest, eat you alive, beat you to death, tear it all apart, feast on the flesh and do it all without even trying. This is a statement, I have been patient, this is a track for the ages. Solo and Dre went in and created something that's hot for the placements. God damn it, you can't ignore all the gasoline spread around the floor. And I got a match here, I'm about to let it go, watch it blow. Are you ready for more?
Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Count and hate or believe, but please believe it makes no difference to me. Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh man, taking the game ever higher. And we're here with a little taste of that fire.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh damn, you know it's easy to see that there ain't no one of y'all can stand next to me.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna bring me your closer. He's throwing ducks, I serve him up like I'm Sosa. Cause I'm the bad man.
In my mind, there's only one way this goes. It's only one option. I gotta win. Yeah. I'ma lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and composed. I take your road and raise a toast. I lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and composed. I take your road and raise a toast. I'ma lead with gold. Ooh, you can tell we ain't the same. They came just for trophies, I got impact on my brain. You know this goes so much deeper, but I'm not the one to blame. I'm the type to keep on pushing, all my losses turn to gains. Hold up, legacy over accolades, no price on my mindset. Came in as a prospect, I'ma lead with the whole contest. Seeing this in my head, got me feeling like a prophet. I outwork all my peers, that's trust in my process. Hold up. Hey, welcome my winners, I'm being a host. I'm hard and hustle from head to my toes. When it comes to work, watch them turning to ghosts. Yeah, they like to come up and run from the struggle. We hit the floor and they blowing the trumpet. I'm packing the punch like it's part of my luggage. You don't want no problems, don't tell me what I can't do. Better yet, just go ahead, I hit every time I aim to. I'm always on new levels, it's my time, I ain't through. It's hard work and late nights to be that one. Ooh. I'ma lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and composed. I take your road and raise a toast. I lead with gold. got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I leave with go. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I'ma leave with go. Ayy, I'm my only competition. Seeing my reflection, looking through my opposition. Crucify my weakness, force myself into submission. Put my back against the wall and we gon' see who gets to flinching. And I don't believe in limits. What else I gotta tell you? It's uncommon repetition. And I know it ain't fair. Saw the end before beginning. Had this game already finished. For the clock hit single digits, yeah. I'ma leave with go, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I leave with go. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I leave with go, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I leave with go. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I'ma leave with go.
I just pull up in that drop top. You know I've been getting guap guap. Yo, man, girly, she a thot thot. Cash, I get a lot. What I got you so not. Yeah, you so not. Yeah, you so not. I just pull up shining, all these diamonds on me glisten. I got perfect timing, if you whining, I won't listen. Running like a boss, so I don't need your permission. Gucci on my lenses, now I got the perfect vision. Golden sacks, I'm spending now, my man, I got him tripping. Buy me Fendi, buy me Dior, buy me everything I'm wishing. He won't listen and I'm dipping, yeah, you know, no, I got options. That's a no-no if you plotting, we on go-go, so we popping. You could not doubt it, just read all about it in front of the papers. I run up the paper, spending it all, say nothing for later. You lower level, I'm up in the majors. I feel like a boss, feel like I'm in charge. I just pulled out my garage, I just pulled up in that drop top, that drop top. You know I've been getting guap guap. Yo, man, girly, she a thot thot. Cash, I get a lot. What I got you so not. Yeah, you so not. Yeah, you so not. Foreign car, yeah, they made it in Italy. Pulling up so nobody missing me. Don't care what you haters thinking. Cash on deck, your paper sinking. I got all this flavor dripping, diamond shining, make them glisten. I got the sauce, feel like a boss. I'm at a loss, a loss for words. Fly like the birds, or riding I swerve, taking the curve. So hot like the stovetop. Ice all on me, froze watch. Ballin' like I globetrot. I'm on go like no stops. Cash, I get a whole lot. Yeah, that's a lot in my drop top. You know I've been getting guap guap. Yo, man, girly, she a thot thot. Cash, I get a lot. What I got you so not. Yeah, you so not. Yeah, you so not. I'm so hot, you so not in my drop top. Look at the cash in my drop top. She a thot. Look at me, oh, you so not. Look at me, ow. Look at me, ow. Yeah, you so not. She a thot. Yeah. Been a long time coming, but I'm here. I was drifting, now I'm shifting gears. Now I gotta wait a lifetime. Right now, this is my time. This is gonna be my year. I was gone a minute, now I'm back. Busy changing, breaking from the pack. Now waiting on a chance. I'm making my own plans. The world's gonna have to deal with that. Go and tell them that I'm had enough. Time's up. Go and tell them I'm back of the pack, now I'm in first place. Used to dream about this life, now I see it in my face. Hard work pays off, gotta go, gotta get it. Eyes on the prize, never worry about the critics. I didn't put it on my time, put it on my work. Made it through the storm, yeah, we came up from the dirt. It's go time, show 'em what I got. Long time coming, this time won't stop. From the crowd, I'ma stand out, no handouts. Taking on the world, so look at me now. This is just the beginning, progress still growing. They said I couldn't do it, so I guess I gotta show them. Now I feel unstoppable, now I'm feeling good. Look at how I'm winning, and they didn't think I would, but I didn't hold back, and the odds were all stacked. Now I play 'em this song, and I tell 'em I'm back. Go and tell 'em that the past is done. Start running. Go and tell 'em I'm back. 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 Yeah.
Ay, life is what you make it. Days like this, yeah, I swear that I would pay for. I got time, but I'm always moving too fast. So this summer, man, I swear I'm about to lay back. Ay, this summer, man, I'm cooling on the low. I don't want no pressure, want no smoke. I just wanna chill up at the house and somehow still get money cause I'm broke. Talk about the life I live, I just wanna play my jams. I just wanna hold you close, shout my praise like ooh. Bring out the vibes like this, dreams like every night. Lay out on the beach, man I love my life. Sing my songs for you, life moves way too fast. One day I'ma be in LA with my boys out back, telling stories about how we would always act a fool, but we really bout that work, man it feels so good. Ay, life is what you make it. Days like this, yeah, I swear that I would pay for. I got time, but I'm always moving too fast. So this summer, man, I swear I'm about to lay back. Life is what you make it. Days like this, yeah, I swear that I would pay for. I got time, but I'm always moving too fast. So this summer, man, I swear I'm about to lay back. I just wanna go, chill, relax, ay, chill, relax, yeah, chill, relax, ay, life is what you make it, yeah. Ay, chill, relax, ay, chill, relax, ay, chill, relax, life is what you make it. Days like this, I would pay for. I got time, but I'm always moving too fast. So the summer, man, I swear I'm about to lay back.
Love. I've been up since like 3 a.m. I don't hear the hate, what y'all say ain't in. All I know is go, all I know is grind. I'm on your head, all I know is climb. Just know I'm different. If I see the target, just know I'm gon' hit it. I don't know the fake, just know I live it. Anything I say, just know I'm in it. I know the ops and they lightweight. I'm in the zone and I might stay. Yeah, I'm on in the right way. Check the scoreboard, look who I play. They say sky the limit, that's too low for us. We showing up in the nosebleeds of the galaxy. When you think it's great, look, it's actually me. Yeah, it's actually me. Might just pull up on some nonsense. Ain't no limits on my conscience. I don't know, you don't know, we don't know. Stop us. I don't think nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop us. Might just pull up on some nonsense. Ain't no limits on my conscience. I don't know, you don't know, we don't know. Stop us. I don't think nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop us. some nonsense. Ain't no limits on my conscience. I don't know, you don't know, we don't know. Stop us. I don't think nothing can stop us. Ain't none of y'all about to stop us.
Used to be frightened, jumping from mountains. But now I'm enlightened. Life is no island, just let the light in. Don't have to be afraid, oh no. See, I'd rather fall. And you don't have to worry about me. I just wanna live free.
I used to tread light on a tightrope until I jumped free with my eyes closed. Every moment in life is like a slideshow, and I'm just pulling strings for the maestro. There's a question I'll ask you, who will you answer to? We all gotta take a course, life is an institute. If you wanna truly soar, nothing can limit you. A light in a dark room, ain't nobody dimming you. Yeah, I can't settle. Young brown boy, mama told me I was special. Learn to manage my risk, ain't no way to lose. Why you holding on to fear? You got a parachute. Check the longitude and latitude. It's all determined by your attitude. Cause I want better for mine. Walking at the vision, see all I needed was time.
Used to be frightened, jumping from mountains. But now I'm enlightened. Life is no island, just let the light in. Don't have to be afraid, oh no. See, I'd rather fall. And you don't have to worry about me. I just wanna live free.
Jump.
I'm falling. Free falling. Don't have to be afraid, oh no. See, I'd rather fall. And you don't have to worry about me. Cause I'm gonna live free.
Jump.
I'm falling. Free falling.
Destined for greatness, my name is written in stars. And I will give everything, all that I have to the cause. Fight against evil, run through the pain, battle it all, this is more than a game. I am a lion and I can't be tamed, it's how it was made. This ice in my veins, run through it all. No matter the odds, I will answer the call. The enemy knocks on the door. Even the greatest among us will fall, but the greatest will get back up. So I won't back down and I won't give up. And I will act now and I will stand up. They know that I'm here for it all. Rise up, no matter what's in my way. Rise up, I will do what it takes. I will keep on fighting. I'll rise through it all. Rise up, no matter what's in my way. Rise up, I will do what it takes. I will keep on fighting. I'll rise through it all. Rise up. Rise up. Yeah. Walking through the shadows, I see the hangman as he stands at the gallows. The breath of the beast, the gnashing of teeth. But I won't retreat, I won't deplete. I will succeed, I got all that I need. I am prepared for this moment. I see my future and my destiny is calling. The battle is on, I will rise like the sun. I'll get it done, one day I'll look back and see that we won. I hear victory song, this is my victory song. Rise up, no matter what's in my way. Rise up, I will do
make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, you can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, yeah.
The game is strategic, I'm bobbing and weaving. Don't argue with demons, okay?
Okay.
Ain't nothing between us, vacation on Venus. I mean it, I'm somewhere you ain't, okay. I feel like I'm Jordan when I turn the mic on a dangerous cycle. I make you a rival, I pray for the title. We making the finals, I pray we don't spiral, I pray we don't. I wrote out the vision, been focusing winning. Don't try to guess me, you know that we driven. Nothing get past me, you know we ain't slipping. The team is on 10, man, I promise we different. Scotty and Dennis, we killing opponents. This ain't what you wanted, no way. Yeah, I know it ain't fair, we just taking it there. Hope it's coming through clear.
You can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, you can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, yeah. You can tell that I make it look. You can tell that I make it look. You can tell that I make it look. Double take or a second look, bruh. You can tell that I make it look. You can tell that I make it look. You can tell that I make it look. Ain't no wonder why I got him shook.
Bad girls getting money, bad girls on the rise, bad girls running businesses, stock is getting high, bad girls stacking paper till it reaches to the sky, bad girls getting money, don't stop, stop, stop. Bad girls in the back say what? Bad girls in the back stay what? Bad girls in the back stay up, bad girls in the back stay up, bad girls in the back get up. Buying diamonds in the pearls, but don't call me a bad girls run the world. We bad though, that cash flow. We come up, we pass go. We get cash, then spend cash. Don't like that, kiss my ass. We been stunned, you been front. You want this, you get none. You want this, then earn it. Ain't fucking unless I get some. I'm bad though, no bad hoe. Just a bad bitch with a bad flow. And a green on green on green state of mind. And I'm done dealing with these. So y'all, all of y'all. If y'all don't like me, eat me. I've been running game and I do it all the same until y'all all stop speaking. We some bad girls getting money, bad girls on the rise, bad girls running businesses, stock is getting high, bad girls stacking paper till it reaches to the sky, bad girls getting money, don't stop, stop, stop. Bad girls in the back say what? Bad girls in the back stay what? Bad girls in the back stay up, bad girls in the back stay up, bad girls in the back get up. Buying diamonds in the pearls, but don't call me a bad girls run the world. We too bad, y'all been mad. I bought my homemade handbag. I bought up my man has. And you broke hoes can't stand that. I'm burning green, it's spinning green. I'm buying all the nicer things. I want a car, I buy a car. I'll burn the car, f*** you think. It's my money, no man for me. I'll pay for the shit I've been wanting. No rock on me, no stop on me. If I feel cold, I'll burn money. I own this and got this. Look, this dress has pockets. So deep I can keep my rose closed. So I know what you are wanting. We some bad girls getting money, bad girls on the rise, bad girls running businesses, stock is getting high, bad girls stacking paper till it reaches to the sky, bad girls getting money, don't stop, stop, stop. Bad girls getting money, bad girls on the rise, bad girls running businesses, stock is getting high, bad girls stacking paper till it reaches to the sky, bad girls getting money, don't stop, stop, stop. Bad girls in the back say what? Bad girls in the back stay what? Bad girls in the back stay up, bad girls in the back stay up, bad girls in the back get up. Buying diamonds in the pearls, but don't call me a bad girls run the world. Bad girls in the back say what? Bad girls in the back stay what? Bad girls in the back stay up, bad girls in the back stay up, bad girls in the back get up. Buying diamonds in the pearls, but don't call me a bad girls run the world.
Swipe up, tag your friends, like and subscribe, comment below. If I make this follow, don't let this flop, wait till the end, like for part 2. I'm going viral, I'm going viral, viral. Virtual this, virtual that, I'm on my virtual shit. Virtual dick, virtual bitch, yeah we be getting it in. Virtual swigs, virtual lit, I'm getting turned with my friends. Everything virtual now, but just wait till then. Hit me when it's happy hour, all day. Me and my bees go sour, looking good in PJs, that's my superpower. Run out on my hair, working on my self-care. This time we got rare, I'ma do it up with flair. Cause what a time to be alive. We can still link while we're inside. Zoom in and hit me with the invite. But when this thing is over, we gon' get in life. Virtual this, virtual that, I'm on my virtual shit. Virtual dick, virtual bitch, yeah, we be getting it in. Virtual swigs, virtual lit, I'm getting turned with my friends. Everything virtual now, but just wait till then.
Until we back in action, I'm posted like I'm in traffic. It's tragic the way they trick them terrifically, working magic. Finally ain't no traffic, a break from chemical plastics. Burning buds to the ashes, we virtually getting blasted. Bow.
Cause what a time to be alive.
My digger.
We can still link while we're inside. Zoom in and hit me with the invite.
Okay.
But when this thing is over, we gon' get in life. Virtual this, virtual that, I'm on my virtual shit. Virtual dick, virtual bitch, yeah, we be getting it in. Virtual swigs, virtual lit, I'm getting turned with my friends. Everything virtual now, but just wait till then. Then it's on site, then it's offline, reuniting my Persians. Cryptocurrency learning, plus I've been working. Open the curtain, show goes on, even if we didn't rehearse it. We ain't reversing, this is a sermon, take them to Sunday service. With these chicken tenders. Dive, Josh and Rob, Flute, and the third, you heard?
Baby, you poppin', you got me Gucci. You got them boys on the pressure, you like a movie. I'm down to love you forever, ain't gonna lose it. You got me Gucci, yeah, you worth it, yeah, you worth it. Do it for purpose, do it for purpose. And if you're certain, baby, I'm certain that we can work it out. Yeah, we got some things we keep it on the low down. And she really likes secrets and love songs. Got some plans with a nigga, she gon' lose on. I can hit it right away. Oh yeah.